this is Joanna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on the link. And it would be amazing if you subscribe to my channel. I post videos about beauty, lifestyle, plus size, fashion, and planner videos, stationery hauls, because I love planners and stationery hauls. I'm going to do a plan with me video where I just use my happy planner. This is the one I have, Life is Lovely, because it is. And I'm going to make a planner spread without a planner kit. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using. So I'm using the Happy Planner, what is this called? The Happy Planner stickers. Well, I guess that's what it's called, but this one with the rose gold with the gold sheets. If you haven't seen it, it's got lots of tabs and all these things. So yeah, this is the paper clip I'm going to be using. I'm in the kitchen and I think you can see some salt. Yeah, you can. Oh no, you can't. It's not salt. It's just dirty. I'm using these two washi tapes. I hope they match. I have no idea what color they are because I'm colorblind. So I thought they matched. I thought they matched with these little love hearts. I've already used them on my planner spread, so you're seeing the ones that are left. And I'm going to combine all these together, and I'm going to show you my final product. I got this from a shop in Greece. It's a nice little love heart, and these are again from a shop in Greece. I'll link it in the description box because I know I have subscribers from Greece who might want to buy these things, and these were just from a bookshop again in Greece. If I find similar love heart, leopard print, animal print stickers, I'll link them in the description box, but I probably won't. We'll see. It's hard to find things that I buy in Greece and then just add them here. Sorry, I'm not using an amazing filming technique, but I don't know how to film flat spreads, layouts. So anyway, let's continue. So this is what my planner looks like without any writing. I'm going to do some close-up. So at the bottom here, I put some white paper and I stuck it, and then I put all the little love hearts. And then I used my Happy Planner tags, the ones I showed you before. And just some important tags like make it happen, important. I tried to put love hearts on every edge, every corner. Then I have a workout tab, a dentist tab, get things done, night out, deadline, and some polka dots. I'm colorblind, so I don't really know if this color palette matches, but to me it makes sense, so I'm just going to go with it. And I'm not a perfectionist. I just like using random things and just trying to have fun. Now, this planner spread has been made without any kits. I just used washi tape that I showed you earlier, stickers which I showed you earlier, and one of those planner sticker books. So I'm going to show you the rest of my planner with everything written in it in a minute. So this is my final spread. I'll show it from far away. Now I'm going to come up closer. So I just added some things I want to do, like save money, that's my important. Go shopping, grocery shopping, clean, I need to clean. And then I just write my work schedule because I'm a teacher and I sometimes teach online, so I just add the online stuff. And then just like blogging stuff and YouTube stuff. And I have a dentist appointment, but I don't remember when it is, so I need to check the time. And just some phone calls I need to make, things I need to fill in. And then I didn't know what to put on my Sunday because it's just a relaxed day, so I just I wrote on it sideways and deadlines for myself, my YouTube. I have 300 subscribers. Oh, the light went out, trying to grow. And yeah, that's my final layout, and that's the paper clip. Now, I don't know what you write in your planner. Let me know in the comments below because I really tried to fill it in, but I don't have, like, I'm not going to write what films I'm going to watch and things like that, or quotes. I don't know. So let me know. I like having white space because I can fill things in during the week, so that's a good thing for me. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please don't give it a thumbs down. I'll see you in my next video. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.